Hey there, fellow viewers. Welcome to an exciting YouTube video where we'll be diving into the fascinating world of legal theory. Today, we're embarking on a journey through the diverse schools of thought that shape our understanding of the law. Law has been a topic of contemplation and debate for centuries. Different thinkers and scholars have developed their own unique ideas about what the law is and how it functions. These different perspectives are known as schools of thought. In this video, we'll explore some of the most influential schools of thought on law. From natural law theory to legal positivism, as we embark on this journey, it is important to remember that law is not a fixed concept, but rather a subject of ongoing discussion and interpretation. The different schools of thought provide us with diverse perspectives on how to understand and apply the law. Each theory brings its own unique ideas and arguments to the table, which can lead to rich debates and a deeper understanding of the complexities within legal systems. By examining these schools of thought, we can gain insight into the fundamental questions surrounding the law's purpose, authority, and role in society. It encourages us to think critically about the balance between individual rights and societal interests, and how the law can adapt to the changing needs of our dynamic world. Throughout this journey, let's keep an open mind and embrace the intellectual diversity that legal theory offers. By doing so, we can broaden our understanding, challenge our assumptions, and foster meaningful discussions about the foundations of our legal systems. So, let's dive into this exploration together and continue to expand our knowledge and appreciation for the fascinating world of legal theory. So the first school of thought to talk about is legal positivism. Legal positivism is a perspective within legal theory that focuses on the idea that law is a product of human creation, separate from moral considerations. According to legal positivists, the validity of a law does not depend on whether it is morally right or wrong. Instead, it is determined by its sources, such as legislation or legal authorities. They argue that law should be based on clear rules and procedures, and that judges should strictly interpret and apply the law without injecting personal moral beliefs. Legal positivism emphasizes the importance of legal rules and their authority in maintaining social order and stability. It separates law from ethics and emphasizes the need for objective legal analysis, regardless of personal opinions or values. While legal positivism has its critics, its proponents argue that it provides a clear and predictable framework for legal decision-making. They believe that focusing on legal rules rather than subjective moral judgments enhances consistency and fairness in the legal system. So, they say the law is the law and we do nothing but what the law says. The next school of thought is the naturalist school of thought. Naturalism is a perspective within legal theory that suggests that the law is derived from nature, reason, and universal principles. They believe that law must be universal, meaning, what is wrong or right in one country must also be wrong or right in the rest of the world. Naturalists argue that there are inherent moral and ethical principles that exist independently of human laws. They believe that these principles are discoverable through human reason and observation of the natural world. Natural law, as it is often called, is seen as a higher moral law that guides human conduct. According to naturalists, laws should align with these universal principles and promote justice and fairness. They emphasize that there is a close connection between law and morality, and that laws should reflect ethical standards. Natural law theorists argue that if a law contradicts these fundamental moral principles, it is not a true law and may even be seen as invalid or unjust. They believe that individuals have a duty to act in accordance with natural law and that legal systems should strive to align with these principles. While the naturalist school of thought has faced criticism and challenges throughout history, its proponents assert that recognizing natural law is crucial for establishing a just and equitable legal system. The last school of thought to talk about in this video is legal realism. Legal realism is a perspective within legal theory that emphasizes the importance of understanding how the law actually works in practice, rather than focusing solely on abstract legal principles. Legal realists argue that the law is not solely based on objective rules and principles, but is influenced by various social, economic, and political factors. They believe that legal decisions are shaped by judges' personal beliefs, biases, and the social context in which they operate. Legal realists highlight that the law is not always applied uniformly or predictably. They suggest that judicial decisions can be influenced by subjective factors, such as the judge's background, personal experiences, and the prevailing social climate. Legal realists believe that legal rules are often ambiguous and open to interpretation. This school of thought emphasizes the importance of studying and understanding how law operates in real-world contexts. By examining the social, economic, and political factors that impact legal decisions, legal realists argue for a more nuanced understanding of the law's effects on society. While legal realism has faced criticism, its proponents believe that recognizing the influence of human factors on legal decision-making can lead to a more realistic and effective legal system. This is the end of our lesson. Thanks for watching, and if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and turn the on notification bell so you don't miss any videos that I upload. Like the video and ask all your questions and appreciation in the comments section below. Until we meet in our next lesson, it's bye for now.